How to fix Telegram login suspicious activity error. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the suspicious activity error on Telegram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're getting the suspicious activity login error on Telegram, now normally this happens when you have had a number of incomplete login attempts or incorrect attempts as well. And that's why Telegram might have imposed a restriction on your account because they have noticed a suspicious activity. You might be trying to log in from a device, from a newer device especially, and from a newer location. Now, this type of a suspicious activity error, normally it's going to get uplifted within 1 to 2 days, that is 24 to 48 hours. It will automatically get cooled down, and after that you can go ahead and then try to restore and re-log into your Telegram account. If that doesn't help, if you're using Telegram on Android, long press the Telegram app icon and tap on the eye icon. That will take you to app info page, and from here you can simply go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and choose to clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Telegram. Check if the Telegram app has an update, and if it does, then of course make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, you should be able to log into your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.